Suki here. It's time to check in with Boys and Girls Clubs of Canada to see what they're cooking up for Kid Food Nation. Today, Andrea is showing us which foods go well together and others that don't.
The best chefs are the ones that aren't afraid to get creative. Add your own personal flair. Though I don't think anyone should ever combine soup and cereal, or peanut butter and hot sauce, or ice cream with cheese. Now, you wouldn't think that strawberries and spinach would work well together, but add a sweet vinaigrette and you've got a delicious salad. Take the spinach out, and we can get started on adding our toppings. Perfect. And just throw that in there. So why don't we add a little bit of feta cheese? Unity, it's a wonderful thing, and it tastes pretty great too.
For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.